So why do an assessment and an evaluation? I'm going to tell you why. Because you need to understand where you're misfiring, where you're a no that you're going to lean into, but you also need to understand where your team's, those that you're accountable to's no's are. Now I'm going to give you a trick. Give them the self-assessment. You take the supervisor diagnostic evaluation, and then you sit down and don't look at theirs first. You sit down, share it with each other for the first time. Where's there a difference? If there's no differences in that between those two assessments, then you are communicating exceptionally well as a leader. If there's a tremendous amount of differences and they see themselves very differently than you, one way or the other, better or worse, you got work to do as a leader. Assessment tools, evaluation tools, they are out there and there are tremendous amounts of them. But I'm telling you right now, the Retail Leaders Roadmap, 10 practices assessment is the one you want. I speak with application, not theory, folks. Let's get up and go.